In this video, we will be solving a question on transportation. Here we are asked to find the shortest path of this transportation problem. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing to note before solving any question of this sort, we note that this is our source or the starting point, and this is our destination. So, to find the shortest path, we say solution. To find the shortest path of any transportation problem of this sort is just to take the routes from source to destination. So we must exhaust all routes from source to destination before we can get the shortest path. The first route to take is 1257. We are taking 1257. The second route and to take is 1357. 1357. Another route 1367. 1367. We also have 1457. 1457. And the last one to take is 1467. 1467. Of course, after taking this, we can cycle it in this form. We cycle it in this form. The next thing to do is to take the distance between these routes. First, the distance from 1 to 2 is 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers. The distance from 2 to 5 is 10. 10 kilometers. The distance from 5 to 7. 5 to 7 is 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Also, the distance from 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is 8 kilometers. 8. 8 kilometers. The distance from 3 to 5. 3 to 5 is 8 kilometers again. 8 kilometers. The distance from 5 to 7. The distance from 5 to 7 is 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. Also, distance from 1 to 3 is another 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. The distance from 3 to 6. The distance from 3 to 6 is 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. The distance from 6 to 7. The distance from 6 to 7 is 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. Also, the distance from 1 to 4. Distance from 1 to 4 is 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. The distance from 4 to 5. The distance from 4 to 5 is 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers. And the distance from 5 to 7. The distance from 5 to 7 is 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. Also, distance from 1 to 4 is 5 kilometers. You have it already. The distance from 4 to 6. The distance from 4 to 6 is 13 kilometers. 13 kilometers. And lastly, the distance from 6 to 7. The distance from 6 to 7 is 6 kilometers. Fine. The next thing to do is to sum individual kilometers. So we take the sum. The first one here is we have 10 kilometers, we have 9 kilometers, which is 19 kilometers, plus 7, which is 26 kilometers. 26 kilometers. Also, we have here, we have 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 kilometers. Also, we have here 9 plus 6 is 15 kilometers. 15 plus 8 is 23 kilometers. 23 kilometers. Also, we have here as 9 kilometers. 9 plus 7 is 16 kilometers. 16 kilometers plus 5 kilometers is 21 kilometers. Also, we have here as 13 kilometers plus 6 kilometers is 19 kilometers. 19 kilometers plus 5 kilometers is 24 kilometers. Therefore, the shortest path is the route with 21 kilometers. The route with 21 kilometers is the shortest path. The reason is because here we have 26 kilometers, here we have 25 kilometers, here we have 23 kilometers, here we have 21 kilometers, and here we have 24 kilometers. So 21 kilometers is the shortest path. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.